We have designed two equipments to be used on blast furnace. One equipment is to drill a hole 3.5 meter deep to remove molten material from the blast furnace, and another equipment is to close the hole again, that is called as mud gun. The clay is filled to close the hole. Both these machines were designed on SolidWorks. The easiness of this software has helped us to make it faster, and with the help of analysis done on SolidWorks, we could prove that whatever has been designed has appropriately done and the design has come good. Our project, Pelf Infotech, has helped us a lot while designing as well as while making the analysis. Thank you very much, Pelf.
In the entire project, the integrated approach of design and analysis using DS SolidWorks was extremely helpful and phenomenal. So that has really helped us to accomplish this task in a given time frame.